He blends in really well.
Oh, did he bring her a snake? Oh, he has that.
So owls are nocturnal hunters, and as such, they have a lot of adaptations that help them in that aspect. For owls to fly during the daylight hour, it's pretty miraculous that he does as well as he does doing that, because they nap. So Monica's going to take him up the staircase.
So to make a long story short, between 1970 and 1999, the Peregrine Fund and our partners released over 4,000 peregrines into the continental United States, and birds are being released in Canada as well. And the birds were removed from the endangered species list in 1999. We always like to call the falcons the fighter jets of the bird of prey world, because they do have long pointed wings, they're extremely fast. I'm just going to sit down for a few minutes and let you watch Rosa fly.
Can you grab her water? Oh, yeah, she does. Keep watching.
Usually around 3 years or so until they become truly sexually mature. And then, so Mike is just showcasing this bird's ability to follow and just calling him to the fist. The next bird that you're about to see is a lanner falcon. And
Thank you, Connie. Are there any questions while Connie's getting Makeda ready to take up the stairs? Yes, sir. So our falcons come to us mostly because they're hungry. They don't necessarily like us. So every time, before we fly a bird, it has to be a certain weight.
it's kind of a treat to see one of these little guys fly because they are probably one of the rarest falcons in the world. We thank you all so much for your continued support and membership, and we hope you've enjoyed.